Hello YouTube friends. I thought I'd do a kind of different video. I seem to be doing different videos lately, but this one is a shoe unboxing, and I just reordered another pair of Tieks, and I know some of you were interested in that from one of my old videos, so I thought I would show you the unboxing and how they come, because the packaging is always really nice. So now, little backstory, I have two pairs of Tieks, and I'll show them to you now. They're both dirty, but I have this one in taupe, and then this was my first one, and I think this was called chocolate brown at the time. So these are, I think, 7 years old, and these are 6 years old. And they are still really in nice condition. Considering how much I've worn them, it's amazing. This is all leather, and then these are vinyl pads, but the pads really don't wear down. I mean, I have been wearing these, they are not clean, but I've been wearing these for 6 or 7 years, and they just don't wear down. Here's my oldest pair, the first ones I got. They're all hand stitched, and I mean, they're great. They're wonderful. Yes, the insole gets dirty, especially because if you wear lotion on your feet like I do, that's what gets in there. But they don't really make your feet sweat or anything. I'm just really happy with them. So anyhow, I realized that I've been buying black flats, and now that ballet flats are coming back in, I've been buying black flats trying to recreate the feel of Tieks, and nothing does it. So I thought, okay, I will just go ahead and spend the money and get Tieks, because I know that they last, and I know they're very comfortable on me. So I went ahead and bought them. Now the price has only increased by $10 in the last 7 years. The first pairs I got were $175. These were $185. They don't really ever go on sale. And they do have vegan options if you want to get more of a fabric upper. They have those. And those are a little bit less. So let's show you how they come. They come in this tiny little box. The Ballet Flat Reinvented. And they always have a nice little card. It's so cute. See, they're all wearing Tieks. Heidi, thanks for being such a big Tieks fan. We hope you've made your matte black, we hope you adore your matte black Tieks. The Tieks team. That is really sweet. I love these little cards. And then look at this. The presentation is really everything. Look at how cute this is. They always come with a really pretty sparkly little flower on top. And I save these. You can use them as a headband. But they're just really, really cute. And as a doll collector, I almost always just put these on dolls or something. Use them to decorate. Very cute. And then you get this nice, really thick turquoise box. And there's a little brochure inside when you open it up. And let's see what it shows you. It just shows you how they're constructed. That's nice. That's something a little new. So that is in there, and then they're wrapped in tissue, and Tieks fold in half, so that's why this looks so small. So they're really good for traveling because they just kind of tuck, but I have never done that with mine. I always just keep them flat. And then they unfold, and there you go. There's the Tieks. So, you know, of course, they're going to be bent right now, but as I'm wearing them, it's going to lighten up. But they're all leather, all hand-stitched. The interior is leather. This is the underside of the leather, super soft. And I'll show you in a second a little hack that I do when I first get them, and I think it has really saved my Tieks doing this. Now the size I got is an 8. Their sizing is weird because, like in Birkenstocks I wear a 6. In almost every other shoe I wear a 7. I have very narrow feet, and then I have a really high arch. So sizing is just all over the place for me, but in these I have to get an 8. And I found that out the hard way. The first pair I ordered was a 7. I don't think they have half sizes. First pair I ordered was a 7, and it was just way too small, and I thought, I am never going to be able to break these in because they just hurt. And Tieks was wonderful. You contact them, they'll send you out another pair and they won't charge you again unless they don't get the other ones back. So really super nice. I got these within 2 days. I think all my orders have been super quick. And then inside here, you get other goodies. You get a little soft, stretchy pouch to carry your folded Tieks in if you want to. And then inside here is another pouch with like a little Tieks turquoise shopping bag. So this is really handy to carry with you in your purse if you're going to go shopping, and it just all folds back up into this little pouch here. So just a cute little extra that always comes with the Tieks. I am very, very happy to see that they still have this because it makes it a nice experience. You get all these extras, and I don't think that the price, especially now, is outrageous for what you get. So now what I do as a hack for mine is, a lot of people have the complaint that their toes show really badly in these because the leather is so soft and it just kind of pushes through. So once I've tried them on and make sure I'm going to keep them, I got the right size, the right color, what I do is I use moleskin. And this is what the package looks like. You can get at the grocery store, at the drugstore. It's just a soft fabric that's kind of padded, and it's sticky on the back. So you cut out your shape and then you pull off the sticker, and you can stick it, they're for your feet. So if you have something rubbing on your feet, but I put them inside shoes that need a little extra. So what I do, this is the last one I did, I just redid this on my taupe pair. So what I do is I cut shape like this, and then you stick it inside right there. So it covers the whole inside foot part. The sticky part goes upside down. It's kind of hard to do, but I cut kind of a crescent out here so this of course doesn't hang out. But when it's in there, it really helps with that toe area not pushing through. And I just, you know, like I said, I just like redo it every 5 years. I wasn't expecting them to last that long. So, but yeah, for me, these have been great. You can wear them any season. They are wonderful. I have never had a problem with them, even breaking them in. They're just really easy to break in, and I don't fold mine, but these will straighten right out after a little while. But yeah, so I decided I needed a new pair, and I thought I'd get black, come in all different colors. So I do highly recommend them. I think they are really a neat shoe, and they ended up being worth the money. I think giving them a 6 or 7 year trial has really shown me that yes, I do wear them all throughout the year. Not every day, of course, but they really have held up nicely. I've never had a problem. And I think if you do have a problem, I think Tieks would be very, very responsive about it and getting it all fixed up for you. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.